Alright, so welcome back to part 2 of this video. This quad is looking pretty awesome. The only thing that I'm a little bit concerned about is this antenna catching in here. I think I'm going to have to either glue it or tape it somewhere else. It comes with a nice ST connector and an ST battery. However, the other battery that I bought for it is not ST, so wah, wah, wah. It has these Velcro things. I'm not sure what they're for, but hey, you get extras. Don't complain about it. And wow, it looks really cool. I'm hoping that it will fly really well and it will be as sturdy as they say. And yeah, looking forward to this. Again, as I said, there are spare props that come with this thing, with some tiny screws and elastic bands, and a little wrench for all that stuff.
Likey.